Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, DIY Ideas.
Every gardener has used trellises at least once. With the help of trellises, you can significantly diversify the appearance of a suburban area, decorate the facade of a house or fence. Various supports for plants are often needed by those who plant indoor flowers. Trellises come in different sizes and designs. They are needed to support climbing, branching and climbing plants. Trellises ensure uniform plant growth and the best conditions for fruiting. It should be understood that trellises are different from a garden trellis or a bush holder. The plant is thrown onto the trellis, as it were, and then the shoots are braided on it as they grow independently. When installing a trellis, young shoots must be trimmed and braided in a certain way to create a clear configuration. Trellises are suitable for cucumbers, ivy, grapes, clematis, decorative peas, climbing roses. These plants are evenly distributed over the trellis and receive the same amount of sunny color. The shoots on the trellis are not damaged during harvest, and the plants bloom abundantly and bear fruit. Trellises vary in shape, size and weight. Trellises for indoor plants are often lighter. Plastic or metal is used for their manufacture. They are different in shape, while the most popular ones are a trapeze, a fan, a semicircle, an oval and a ladder. When choosing a support for a houseplant, it is important to take into account its dimensions. The support should not weigh more than the pot itself, and the thickness of its rods should not be too large so as not to damage the roots of the plant. There are only 3 selection parameters: the shape of the support, its height and the size of the cells. Form. For climbing plants, a support in the form of an arch, lattice or grid is suitable. The support in the form of an arch can be installed anywhere in the garden. The grid needs additional support on the sides, and the grid is installed with a support on the wall. The choice depends on where you are going to plant the plant. Height. The height needs to be thought out in advance, and here it is important to focus on the expected height of the plant. The design should be slightly higher than the plant itself. The size of the cells. When choosing the size of the cells, it is important to take into account the thickness of the stem. It is necessary that the plant can freely pass through the windows and weave around them. Trellises are made of wood, metal and durable plastic. You can also make a trellis yourself, from plastic, wood, or metal pipes, metal mesh, wire and even ordinary thick rope. The main thing is to think about the size of the cells and the height of the trellis in advance. Otherwise, there are no rules and restrictions, it's up to your imagination.